Hello, ma'am. So many students have so much doubt about the programs which we run here, sports fellowship program, for example. So we want to know more about it. So what is it about? Like in online courses, what are the difference with offline course and online course?
Yes, so definitely this doubt is there in many of the students. So let me clarify this. Sports Fellowship is a program wherein you are learning A to Z about sports physiotherapy and musculoskeletal physiotherapy. So basically, here you will be learning the diagnosis, clinical anatomy, biomechanics, all the techniques, including dry needling, taping, ISTM, MFR, MET, all the manual therapy techniques, KKMT, joint mobilizations, and rehab techniques as well. So it is basically a one stop solution for all your patients, whatever their problem is, whether it is related to sports or musculoskeletal. And it is a different approach. It is not just like any other workshop, it is a complete different approach where you are going to get the results from day one. So it is a comprehensive course, definitely.
Our next question is how exactly it is different from the, like ma'am asked you, how it is different from the offline course. How we will learn in this means what will be the rehab protocol we will learn here.
So basically, in this course, you are getting the whole theoretical material, which is not copy pasted from anywhere. It is originally written, and you will be getting it condition wise. Even the exercise videos, along with the complete voiceover, you will be getting, wherein you will understand how to apply which exercise, which rehab protocol in what case. So you are getting that here. And how it is different from online, from offline, in offline, definitely you have to spend time in different workshops, and definitely it is such a long course, such an elaborate course. You can't spend, it is like a college course like MPT. So if you learn this course, it will teach you more than any MPT curriculum. Okay, so if you compare the MPT curriculum with this course, it is much more than that. So here you will be learning the whole theoretical in every condition, whatever condition is there in sports and musculoskeletal. So you're learning all that.
How is it possible to learn practical online?
So in this course, basically you have demo video for each and every technique in too much of detail. So whether it is dry needling or surface marking or diagnosis, in everything, in every technique, I have made a detailed video for every technique, which you will be learning from the demonstration point of view. So as I teach offline with a group of students and I'm demonstrating in the middle, same ways I have given the videos in an elaborate manner so that you can just feel that you are offline with me.